What's up, y'all? It's the real J Pooh, back at it again with another video. And yes, I just did this frontal, sis. What's lace?
Bitch, I'm still alive, it's a blessing. Peeped a lot of niggas ain't gang. They just come around me for gang. Doing me, I'm in my own lane. Look, hey.
I'm not loving you the way I wanted to. What I had to do, had to run from you. I'm in love with you, but the vibe is wrong, and that haunted me all the way home. So you never know enough till it's over, love, till we lose control. So keep your love locked down, your love locked down, keeping your love locked down, your love locked down. Now keep your love locked down, your love locked down. Now keep your love locked down. You lose. So keep your love locked down, your love locked down, keeping your love locked down, your love locked down. Now keep your love locked down, your love locked down. Now keep your love locked down. You lose.
I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to
You gotta do what you gotta. Move from your past, it's your problem. I move with my conscience, can't nobody stop me. I need all your love, baby, that's just the topic. It's been a minute since we last spoke. Yeah. So let's start a conversation. You stay on my mind like a situation. All I need is you, I can take you places. You said every time you with me, you just lose yourself. Can treat you better than anybody and no one else can show you love in the same caliber. She don't know what I am, so about to give her the finish. I told her to call me up when she be needing me. Give her all my love, what you really need. That's right. That's all you needed was some genuine love on my TLC tip, cause you don't need no scrub. It's time, girl. I'ma treat you like you mine, girl. Do all the things that you like, girl. Let me know if you gon' ride, girl. Call me Poppy, only father, it's time, girl. You make official when you like, girl.
Yeah. Rich. Yeah. Bitch. Gabby. Yeah. How the fuck I get here? We so motherfucking rich. I'm still with my gang and we still running this shit. I remember those days where we didn't have shit. And now we on top shining, all y'all niggas is sick.
Playgirl gang, bitch, yeah, we really with the shit. Roly-poly, only put the ice up on my wrist. Come and get your bitch, she all on my dick. I don't gotta touch you, little bitch, I send a hit. I trapped out the spot and I came to hit a lick. I ain't never had shit, so I whip my wrist. Wounded with the bloods, they might bring some crips. Niggas pull up with the lean, I might take some sips. And I'm with the gang, so these bitches taking pics. I was 15 on a lick, I came from trapping shit. And I'm on your block, and I got the stick. I'ma pull up with the chopper, empty out the clip.
I don't care about that blue and green. Yo, nigga be weaving that nigga a fiend. So much why he fucked up his face. That nigga a junkie, he stay off the pills. Yeah, he gross. Pistol hit, you know you comatose. So this ass don't get too close. I gotta dip, yeah, I gotta go. Soaking that green, don't feel my notes. Cool me bitch on the way to my show. She wanna fuck with a gang, that girl's a hoe. She don't want a newbie, she want a pro. How the fuck I get here? We so motherfucking rich. I'm still with my gang and we still running this shit. I remember those days where we didn't have shit, and now we on top shining. All y'all niggas is sick.
Playgirl gang, bitch, yeah, we really with shit. Roly poly, oly, put the ice up on my wrist. Come and get your bitch, she all on my dick. I don't gotta touch you, little bitch, I send a hit. Put her to the spot, like where you at? Bitch is really pussy, change your name to Cat. Promise I won't fight you, bitch, I got the Mac. She screaming out the window, yeah, bitch, I got your back. Giggle, giggle, I play you like a fiddle, I pop you like a sickle. Yeah, girl, this ain't no riddle. Been this shit since I was little. Shake that ass, wiggle, wiggle. Got the Gucci on the pin. Shake my hair like I am Willow. Okay, one more.
Sit back, relax as I put on your favorite songs. You know I got them all. All of the smoke, I want all of the smoke. Ay, but I want all the smoke. Say you gon' pull up and smoke. She said she don't even smoke, but she gon' smoke with me though. Cause I want all the smoke. So you want all the smoke. If you gon' pull up and smoke, I give you all of the smoke. You was talking all that shit the other night. When you see me, we gon' fight. I want all the smoke tonight. When you see me, we gon' fight. Come show me you bout that life. Show me, cause I want all the smoke. Yeah, you know you seen that location, now your nigga always come for you. Smoke. You know that pussy so good, if I fuck I'ma always come for you. Smoke. You know your nigga deliver this dick like it's dominoes for you. Yeah. You know your ex nigga never deliver, he always is your no. I was thinking back before you scream my name. You always complain. Had them niggas running game. Half them niggas all the same. I am not the same. We know this already. Hold your pussy steady. You was talking all that shit. I don't think you ready. Hey, can you handle the smoke? Can you suck and don't choke? Long dick, long stroke. No cap, no joke. With an ass so fat and a body like that, let you go, no go. If I hit it from the back, turn.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. all that. And if you would like to see more and get to know me, go ahead and follow me on all my social medias. But yes, like, your girl's about to start acting bougie now. I'm acting funny now. So no, let me stop. Peace.